All right, son, what you building?
Today we got here a 2015 Mercedes C300. Was here for A service and the check engine light was on. This did the A service. You scanned the card, come to find out it has misfire code. So what we normally do is we replace them with all coils, all 4 coils and all 4 spark plugs. That's what we're gonna do.
All right, so you had a misfire on cylinder number 1.
Cylinder number 1, yep.
Car has 113,000 miles. Our recommendation is 4 plugs and 4 coils. Let's get to it. Sometimes these coils give you problems coming out. They kind of break and separate. Kind of a pain in the ass. All right, look like we had the original spark plugs in here. Might be hard for you guys to see, but we got the 4 new spark plugs installed, and he got 2 coils in. All right, it is a wrap. This is complete.